If we observe the milestones of development in child's physical growth, he starts social smile at the age of 2 months. He turns prone, he stands, he walks, he tiptoes, he climbs the stair, he takes a brisk walk, he runs. To stand on his own legs, please remember, every child, even when we were children, you and me, we have made thousand attempts to gather strength to stand on one's legs. Thousand attempts. Every time he twitched his muscles of thighs and legs, he could not stand. He wanted to stand like his adult, like his parents, guardians, and people nearby. There was no muscle strength to stand, at least to stand on his knees. There were only muscle twitching, gathering strength. He was checking his muscle strength. Even if he stands, he has to fail because there is no gait. His foot arches are not formed well. He cannot balance. So he slipped out of balance. He failed many times. Can we call all these attempts, thousand attempts, as failures? We cannot call them as failures. He's learning. He's checking his strength. He's checking his will. Slowly, the same child becomes a master. He stands. He runs. Many athletes have been created out of them. Many marathon runners have been created out of them. So nothing is a failure. Failure is only a misnomer. Failure is only illusion. Failure is only a conditioned reflex which comes out of expectation, which comes out of our result orientation, which comes out of our linear goal setting strategies. All these things are nonsense. Failures are here to remind us to check whether our personal will is sufficiently gathered or not, whether our personal energy is sufficient for the required manifestation or not. If the manifestation is not as per the vision, what we have to do is we have to work on our own strengths, our own will. We have to work on ourselves overall to see what has to be manifested. That's all. Thank you very much.